Hi guys, welcome back to the continuation of my speed build. I have to do this kind of early in the morning. I got stuff to do today. I wasn't even going to record today. You guys don't get to see my face because I had such an annoying encounter last night. So I went to go dye the underlayer of my hair pink, right? You know, I've dyed my hair several times. I mean, a ton of times. I've done every color possible to my hair. Um, and so I went to go dye it, and it was going to be pretty pink with my kind of light brown underneath. It was going to be really cute. And, I was like, because this brand I don't use very often, and when I dyed my hair blue with this color, I needed to leave it in longer. So, I left it in for like an hour, almost, 45 minutes, I think, to be exact. So, I did that, and, I made sure I followed the instructions, even though there wasn't anything different that I need to do with this brand. It's hair dye. Um, and I went to go take a shower. Nothing came out of no color came out of my hair, so I was just like, okay, cool. I guess it's just gonna do its thing. I don't know. And there is no pink whatsoever in my hair. I was so mad because I wasn't going to do my hair because I didn't have a lot of developer left and I didn't want to waste it if this color wasn't going to work, and I was really iffy on it. So I just, I was like, screw it, I want to do it. I haven't dyed my hair in forever, and I was so mad. I woke up this morning after my hair had dried and everything and looked at my hair, and there's no pink whatsoever. But since I couldn't blow dry my hair or anything, I woke up with really poofy, crazy hair. Um, so I'm not going to turn on my camera today. Sorry. But I am gonna knock out as much as I can. I'm gonna give myself at least an hour of work. I'm mainly just going to focus on the youngest cat's room because it's the biggest room, and I don't really feel like doing nurseries at the moment. I just want to get her room out of the way, and that, that's a big chunk of the upstairs. So anyways, I hope y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy. I love you guys. I'll see y'all towards the end, okay?
all on me. So what you wanna do? Tank full of gas, I'm just riding with my boo. It's only me and her, cause I'm whipping in the coupe. Heard you got the pudding, I just wanna see the proof. Oh, passenger side when I lane switch. Baby girl, it's nothing that I can't get. Ever heard of law of attraction? Out in California, so tell me what's bracket. We just seize in the moment. Up all night till it's 3 in the morning. Fly motherfucker, that's the reason you want me. You know if I hit it, I own it. Cause I might just knock it out the park, then dip. And I might just pull up in a brand new whip. And I might just pop a couple bottles in the bill. So baby, come and take a trip. Peach Ciroc, Hennessy, and it's all on me. Got a lot, what you need, and it's all on me. Caught my eye, you're all that I see, and it's all on me. We on top, yeah, baby, you and me, and it's all on me. So where you wanna go? Got a couple drinks, I can get a couple more. Know you wanna, so what else is there to know? I can take you high, or we can keep it low. It's a my ignition when I lane switch. I know you ain't tripping on that lame chick. Girl, she ain't even that attractive. You know you look good, baby, you ain't gotta ask her. Winning, girl, you look kinda like Beyonce. Sipping, girl, I've been sipping on this Bombay. Kanye, baby, welcome to the life of Pablo. I ain't talking Escobar, something like Picasso. I'm gone, knock it out the park, then dip. And I might just pull up in a brand new whip. And I might just pop a couple bottles in the bill. So baby, come and take a trip. Oh, Peach Ciroc, Hennessy, and it's all on me. Got a lot, what you need, and it's all on me. Caught my eye, all that I see, and it's all on me. We on top, yeah, baby, you and me, and it's all on me. Yeah, I'm riding with my boo. Everything gon' 10, going to the mall. Little shawty know I ball. Everything gon' spend, don't worry about receipts, baby. Everything you can keep, baby. We ain't taking nothing back. When you out.
Hey guys, sorry, we gotta stop right here. I obviously didn't get to finish. A lot of things happened very quickly this morning. I really probably only got recorded for probably less than an hour. Not entirely sure. But my insulin pump stopped working while I was recording, and I had to call the people for my pump and get that all situated. So right now I have no insulin going in my body, and my doctor hasn't called me back yet, which is kind of stressing me out. But it's already like 1:30 almost right now, and I was on the phone for like 2 hours, maybe a little longer, I don't know. But yeah, I'm sorry that I wasn't able to finish this room. I will try tomorrow. I will try. I will try to finish this room for you guys. Maybe later. I might be able to finish it later. I don't know. I can do a 2-part thing on this room. I don't know. But anyways, so that happened. So I gotta go bathe kid, bathe myself, and get my hair to not be so, like, poofy. I know it doesn't look poofy at the moment because it's in a ponytail, but it's bad, guys. It is so bad. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this little part. Again, sorry, I have to cut it short, but you know, my life matters. So, anyways, I love you guys, and remember, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. And, look out for the next part of this room and the next part of my speed build. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, bye.
When we were young, the higher places made us strong together.